Bhanu channel. Today we are going to discuss chapter 10, New Empires and Kingdoms. This is a chapter of class 6 subject SST History. This video is beneficial for Army Public School students. This video is important for exam perspective. In this video, we are going to discuss question and answer of this lesson. Friends, SST History all chapter series एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है, तो प्लीज आप हमारे वीडियोस अपने ज्यादा से ज्यादा फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, जिससे वो भी हमारी एसएसटी हिस्ट्री ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सके। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप में से कोई भी न्यू व्यूअर है जो पहली बार इस चैनल पर आए हैं, वो प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें, जिससे हमारे आने वाले सभी न्यू वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। फ्रेंड्स, हमारे वीडियोस को एंड तक जरूर देखें और बीच में स्किप कर ना जाएं। अगर आपको हमारे चैनल का कंटेंट पसंद आए तो प्लीज हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें और हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक करें। फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगेगा हमें कमेंट कर जरूर बताएं। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, बिना कुछ देरी किए सेशन की शुरुआत करते हैं। फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर ऑफ दिस लेसन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय प्रशस्ति? व्हाट डज समुद्रगुप्त प्रशस्ति मेंशन? Answer of this question is Prasastis is a special kind of inscription meaning in praise of. They were composed in praise of the rulers. Second, an important example is a Prasasti of Samudragupta. Third, the poet has praised the king in glowing terms. Fourth, he is described as equal to God. It tells about his conquests. Fifth, most Prasastis also mention the ancestors of the rulers. Samudragupta's great grandfather, father and mother are mentioned by Harisena in the Prasasti. Question number 2. Mention the 3 authors who wrote about King Harshvardhan. Answer of this question is 3 authors who wrote about Harshvardhan are Banabhat, Zhuangzhang and Ravi Kirti. Question number 3. Discuss the rule of King Harshvardhan in brief. Who was Harsh God poet and what he wrote? Answer of this question is first, Harshvardhana's ruled nearly 1400 years ago. We come to know about him from his biography written by his court poet Banabhat. Second, this biography is known as Harsh Charitra, which is in Sanskrit. It was written by Banabhat. He was the court poet of Harsh. Third, Harshvardhan became the ruler of Taneshar after both his father and elder brother died. Fourth, he took over the king of Kannauj after his brother-in-law was killed by the ruler of Bengal. Fifth, Harsh led an army against the ruler of Bengal. Question number 4. What are the sources which give us information about the Gupta rulers? Answer of this question is coins, inscription, and biographies are the main sources to know about Guptas. Question number 5. Now long question and answers has been started. Explain in detail Samudragupta's policies towards 4 different kinds of rulers as mentioned by Harisena. Answer of this question is first, Samudragupta's policies towards the 4 different kinds of rulers in his kingdoms were as follows. First, the rulers of Aryavart. There were altogether 9 rulers of Aryavart. All of them were uprooted and their kingdoms were made a part of Samudragupta's empire. Second, the ruler of Dakshinpat. There were 12 rulers of Dakshinpat. All of them were defeated by Samudragupta. He allowed them to rule again. Third, the inner circle of neighboring states. The rulers of these states, including Assam, coastal Bengal, Nepal, and a number of Gand Sanghs in the northwest, brought tribute to Samudragupta. They also followed his orders and attended his court. Fourth, the rulers of outlying areas. They were perhaps the descendants of the Kushanas and Shakas. And the ruler of Sri Lanka. They submitted to Samudragupta and offered daughters in marriage. Question number 6. What changes do you find in army during the time of new empires? Answer of this question is the changes that can be found in the army of this time are first, kings maintained a well-organized army with elephants, chariots, cavalry, and foot soldiers. Second, they had an advanced range of weapons. There were military leaders who provided the king with troops whenever he needed them. Fourth, the military leaders who provided army to kings were known as Samantas. Question number 7. Explain the administration of new kingdoms. Answer of this question is the new administrative arrangements during this time were first, some important administrative posts were now hereditary. Second, sometimes one person held many offices. Third, important man had a say in local administration. Question number 8. Do the comparative study of the Pallavas and Cholukayas. Write down the important features in point. Answer of this question is first, in South India during this period there were 2 famous ruling dynasties known as the Pallavas and Cholukayas. Second, the kingdom of the Pallavas spread from the region around their capital Kanchipuram to the Kaveri Delta. Third, the kingdom of the Cholukyas was centered around the Raichur, Doab, between the rivers Krishna and Tungabhadra. Their capital was at Ehol. The Chalukyas and Pallavas were great rivals. They frequently raid one another's land. Fifth, they lost their influence and finally they were replaced by the Rashtrakuta and Chola dynasties. Question number 9. Describe the assemblies in southern kingdoms in detail. Answer of this question is assemblies in the southern kingdoms. First, the assembly of Brahman landowners was called the Sabha. Second, the assembly of non-Brahmin landowners was called the Ar. Third, the organization of merchants was called the Nagaram. Fourth, usually these assemblies were controlled by rich merchants and landowners. Fifth, such local assemblies survived for centuries in South India. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. For more videos, press bell icon. Friends, हिस्ट्री ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है, तो प्लीज आप हमारे वीडियोस अपने ज्यादा से ज्यादा फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, जिससे वो भी हमारी एसएसटी हिस्ट्री ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सकें। फ्रेंड्स, आपको जिस भी सब्जेक्ट के जिस भी चैप्टर का वीडियो चाहिए, आप हमें कमेंट कर बता सकते हैं। हम उस चैप्टर का वीडियो अपलोड कर देंगे। तो फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।